Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press U.K. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today, I am going to start unit number 62 and teach you about I, me, my, mine. I know Tom. Tom knows me. It's my car. It's mine. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let's get started now. Unit number 62. I, me, my, mine. Section A. I can see him, but he can't see me. You give me your number and I will give you mine. I know Tom. Tom knows me. It's my car. It's mine. We know Tom. Tom knows us. It's our car. It's ours. You know Tom. Tom knows you. It's your car. It's yours. He knows Tom. Tom knows him. It's his car. It's his. She knows Tom. Tom knows her. It's her car. It's hers. They know Tom. Tom knows them. It's their car. It's theirs. Section B. Study these examples. Do you know that man? Yes, I know him, but I can't remember his name. She was very pleased because we invited her to stay with us at our house. A. Where are the children? Have you seen them? B. Yes, they are playing with their friends in the park. That's my pen. Can you give it to me, please? Is this your umbrella? No, it's yours. He didn't have an umbrella, so she gave him hers. It means she gave her umbrella to him. I'm going out with a friend of mine this evening. Not a friend of me. It's wrong. Now it's time for exercises. 62.1. Answer the questions in the same way. Number 1. Do you know that man? Yes, I know him, but I can't remember his name. Number 2. Do you know that woman? Yes, I know her, but I can't remember her name. Number 3. Do you know those people? Yes, I know them, but I can't remember their names. Number 4. Do you know me? Yes, I know you, but I can't remember your name. 62.2. Complete the sentence in the same way. Number 1. We invited her to stay with us at our house. Number 2. He invited us to stay with him at his house. Number 3. They invited me to stay with them at their house. Number 4. I invited them to stay with me at my house. Number 5. She invited us to stay with her at her house. Number 6. Did you invite him to stay with you at your house? 62.3. Complete the sentences in the same way. Number 1. I gave him my phone number and he gave me his. Number 2. I gave her my phone number and she gave me hers. Number 3. He gave me his phone number and I gave him mine. Number 4. We gave them our phone number and they gave us theirs. Number 5. She gave him her phone number and he gave her his. Number 6. You gave us your phone number and we gave you ours. Number 7. They gave you their phone number and you gave them yours. 62.4. Write him, her, yours, etc. Number 1. Where is Amanda? Have you seen her? Number 2. Where are my keys? Where did I put them? Number 3. This book belongs to Ben. Can you give it to him? Number 4. We don't see our neighbors much. They are not at home very often. Number 5. I can't find my phone. Can I use yours? Yes, of course. Number 6. We are going to the cinema. Why don't you come with us? Number 7. Did your sister pass her exams? Number 8. Some people talk about their work all the time. Number 9. Last night I went out for a meal with a friend of mine. Now, this is the end of unit number 62. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 63. Till then, bye bye.